Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the essentials right. Power on the Xbox 360, sign into your Xbox Live account, and connect both the console and your Android to the same Wi-Fi network. Make sure the network frequency, too, 4 GHz or 5 GHz, matches both devices. Next, install Xbox Smart Glass or a compatible streaming app on your phone. The app bridges controls and media. Once done, open the app and grant any permissions. This prepares the devices to discover one another and begin pairing. You now pair and configure the app. Open Smart Glass or your chosen app and let it search for the console. If discovery fails, enter the Xbox 360 local IP manually. When prompted, grant controller, microphone, and media permissions so input and audio flow correctly. Next, choose streaming quality. Select lower bitrate for smoother play on weak Wi-Fi or higher resolution for visual fidelity. Make sure latency settings favor responsiveness for games. Save preferences and confirm the console shows as connected in the app. You finish by launching a game or media on the Xbox 360 and tapping Start Streaming in the app. Your phone becomes the screen or controller interface. For best responsiveness, use a wired Xbox controller to the console or a Bluetooth controller paired to your phone. If you encounter lag or disconnects, first reboot the router, move devices closer to the AP, switch to 5 GHz if possible, or lower the streaming bitrate. This fixes most network-related issues quickly and restores playability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.